Okay, guys, in this episode, I'll be testing out this one. This is the Osmo Pocket 3 for vlogging. So I haven't used this for vlogging. We're going to try it out in the real world. It's not a comprehensive review or anything video. I'm just going to use it. That's it. So enjoy. Good day, guys. Trying out this Osmo Pocket 3, which is really awesome. I used it as a webcam last night, and it's really good. And it has a tracking feature that you can just tap on your face, and it's gonna tap you wherever you go and do that. And yeah, it's pretty slick. Like if I try this, I just double tap on my face, and right now it can follow me wherever I go. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let me just try to fix that one again. So yeah, I'm kind of enjoying this camera out here. I can see a lot of reviews online if you want to get a review, but I just want to do the first impressions. The image quality is very good with this camera. I tried it as a webcam on low light, and it's good. I don't know what the overall what do you call this? I'm not thinking. I'm half awake. I just got out of bed. Anyway, I'm just gonna try out the overall feels of this camera. What I just noticed from the past is that the Osmo Action and this one had like a like you call this an action camera look because they're not really wide aperture lenses, but this one is a wide aperture lens and it kind of uh, works like an RX 100, though you can't do more zooms with it. But yeah, the aperture of this and the size of the sensor is just like the RX 100, so which is interesting because I really love the RX 100 for shooting vlogs, and I also use that puppy for some concert videos in 4K. This one can do 4K 120. That one can only do 4K 25 or 4K 30. So this one is just packs a punch. But yeah, the image quality with regards to the Sony and this one, the Sony has like a bright contrast. I don't know. This I just find that the DJI has the like the action camera look on it, but we'll try to change our mind and we'll see how we go. And yeah, it could be the depth of field. I don't know. Sometimes I just look at the image quality and like yeah, it's good. And sometimes I feel like it's not what I want. It doesn't give me that good pop. But we'll try this thing out. Also, I'll try to push the boundaries of editing because this is 10-bit also, which is much better than RX 100. RX 100 is not 10-bit, but again, I love the camera. That's very good. The low light with this one, it's good because of the wide aperture, and they have a new algorithms on it and whatever. I didn't check much, but anyway, we'll try this out. We'll film a bit vlogs and everything, and we'll see if it's good. I had the Osmo Action 4, and it was nice, but when I tried it once, I didn't know the settings, and I was just lazy. Maybe it was a bit noisy in some settings. This one boasted that it's going to be good, though you have to lower the noise reduction to make it look not plasticky something. So I just did that, and also this one has depth of field, unlike the Osmo Action 4, which is has a fixed aperture, and yeah, the depth of field is like not like this, but this one just tracks. This is an active AF, and then when you go, sometimes like when you do this, you can see it blurs me. I'm just near, just finger length, but yeah, we'll try it more. And again, if you want to know more details about the reviews and what this thing can do, there are a lot of videos online. This thing has been out for quite a while, but yeah, I'm just doing a real world test and real world reaction. First impressions, it's good. I don't know. We'll see how we go. Anyway, today's New Year's Eve, and we're gonna go out. So I'm gonna try to use this. We're gonna get. We need to shop because we didn't prepare or shop for some food for the holidays. And tomorrow, some of the shops are closed, so you know. And for tonight's dinner or for tonight's food, we haven't had one. I have eggs there. I usually do fried eggs and everything. But anyway, we're gonna try to look for food, and yeah, we'll see how we go. And just in case, I'm just thinking ahead, just in case if I post this tonight There are a lot of videos from 2023 that I need to upload, so I might trickle upload it. It might be outdated, but I'm still gonna put it through because I am me. Anyway, I'm just gonna take a shower because I look like I just woke up, just got up, and it's around 11:30. We need to leave it around 12 or 1 o'clock to get some stuff. So yeah, that's it. Today, guys, Christmas Eve. I'm coughing like fucking hell. I just choked on myself. So yeah, Christmas Eve. We're heading to Bunnings right now, and I'm gonna try to get some stuffs that I need to bring. Also, I'm gonna try to shop for food, and we're filming in this camera here. I hope it. I hope it's good. It's gonna be good. I'm just like choking to death here, but yeah, we'll see how this camera goes. And yeah, Happy New Year to all. I have, I have a lot of things to edit, and yeah, it's stressing me now. But yeah, either way, we're heading there. Might just get something to mount this thing. Let's shop for one. Let's go. Okay. Also, for those who want to know, this is using not the wide lens, so it's good enough. It's not the best, but it's good enough. I love it. It's just fine. It's I am really struggling. It's a 20 mil, so it should be good. And yeah, love the tracking. I can just disable the tracking for now. Fuck. Anyway, I need to go because I'm running late, or I'm running out of time. Need to go. On the traffic light right now, and the thing is, yeah, I need to mount this thing because it's gonna be weird if it's from down there. The problem with having the camera down there is that you'll see a lot of my nostrils, and I have a very big opening in my nose, and that's gonna be annoying. It's like it's gonna eat you or something. But anyway, I'm really having hiccups right now. I think I drank water and just got my yeah, hiccups. I don't know what to say. I'm heading to Bunnings right now, and yeah, fuck, man, this is really annoying. I'm heading to Bunnings right now, and yeah, we'll start the day rolling. I just reset the car. Oh fuck, the car odometer to 0. So by the end of the day, we'll know how many hours I drove for today. At the same time, how many kilometers. Oh fuck, it's really annoying when you get this hiccup. And yeah, so that's it. Also, with regards to New Year's resolutions, I have a lot supposedly, but I decided not to because it's been it's been 40 years. I've been trying to, not really 40 years, but a lot of years. I've been trying to get a New Year's resolution on, but nothing's happening. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and drive and just go to Bunnings. Yeah, see how we go there. Okay, one shitty shit stuff that I did is I left my I left my phone there, and I used my phone to pay for my purchases, and I kind of don't have my phone with me, so that's gonna be a problem. But yeah, let's go there. Back. And I think my audio is too loud. Just need to lower it a bit, I reckon. I'm not sure. It's my first time to use. No, not really. It's my first time to. No, not really my first time to use this camera. But the thing is, I haven't processed one on the computer yet, so I don't know if it's it or it's it. I don't know how this thing will fare. This might be all rubbish vlog and me just blabbering, because I always do rubbish vlogs, and if the video quality is rubbish, and it's rubbish, there's nothing we can do. But yeah, I need to try it just to know how it works. Anyway, I'm just gonna drive. I might get caught here. It's kind of annoying that I need to go home to get my wallet, just to get my maps, and also to get my money. And it's not. It's also annoying that yeah, I didn't figure that one out earlier. One more thing, with this Osmo Pocket 3, thing is, what I'm also annoyed is there are some like alerts on it. Like when you turn on the camera and it connects to this wireless thing, it's gonna give me a big prompt that it's connected to this thing, but it's annoying. It's covering most of the screen, and sometimes it doesn't disappear right away. You have to tap it. I may not have found the option, if it's possible, that I can maybe remove it or have it as quick as possible. It's okay to have those prompts, but the thing is, yeah, you don't want it to be that staying there for quite a long time. I'm also seeing my audio is like quite peaking, so I'm just gonna change the gain. Also, yeah, things that I see. So set my audio to -3. I hope it works. I hope it's not too low, but I'll find out. I'll be editing this soon. I don't know when, but yeah, I'll be editing this, and I'll figure it out. And I hope the video quality is much nicer. I have the A7C II with me. That's my go-to camera for photos and everything else. So yeah, that's like that's it. So I hope it's gonna go fine. Anyway, I'm just I'm driving. My mind somewhere else, like trying to get things done. I'm also trying to talk to you about this camera, which is not ideal, and I'm also trying to drive, which is very, very not ideal. You should stop doing this. You guys should stop me. But anyway, I just love to talk. That's the thing. I just love to talk. So whatever I say, I just love to talk. Okay. So off to Bunnings now. I don't know. I'm a bit embarrassed to film in Bunnings, but we'll see how we go when we get there. We'll see. And also, I'm gonna try to stick with the audio here if possible, because this one's like too loud for me. I mean, to look at me. Yeah, let me get this thing off me. Yeah. Sausage sizzle at Bunnings. EMO. So Ryobi is like one of the best things, not really the best, the cheap ones. I'm looking for a blower here for my airbed, and also at the same time I can use it as my cleaning blower, like dust blower. Yep. Don't do a lot of crafts at home, so yeah, just have a need for all these screws here, but I also need this for cleaning. And also when we're camping, I can use this to inflate and deflate the air mattress. So yeah, that one's staying there. Yeah, just got a sausage sizzle from Bunnings because it's iconic. And yeah, going to the car now. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying this thing. I just hope the footage is so good, or yeah, at least good, because yeah, I'm really enjoying using this thing. Yes, it's pretty good. I have backup audio on the camera, but also have audio here. I'm not sure if I'm recording. I don't know. I'll figure it out later, because yeah, that's it. So I kind of forgot my ID for Costco. Good thing that yeah, I can just go there and get one. I have only 1 hour left before this one closes, and then I need to go to Glen Waverly, maybe get some steak. I'm not sure if I can make it, but yeah, and some. Just have one fruit here. You just have cherry, so it's gonna mess up. Check this out. So that's what we have. Yep. Okay, let's go. You have to buy Musang King because it's the king. Yeah, you have to get the king. Okay, let's go. Pretty much still needs a lot of things. I still need to buy all those things that we need to make spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls. Same time, I still need to buy stuff that's for what you call this, for steak. So yeah, might need to buy a lot more things. And this lady's like trying to get the car. I don't know. Anyway, survived Costco. I'm heading to Springvale right now. No, not really Springvale. Should be driving. Anyway, I'm heading to like what you call this, the Glen. I'm gonna try to check out some steaks there, Japanese steaks. And yeah, I was about to buy one at Costco, but I think it's overpriced. I know it's not really overpriced, but it's too much for what I need. So yeah, I'm going to the Glen to check out some steaks, and wish they still have good ones. The time now is like 4:48. They close at 5:30, so hoping I can get there in time. We'll see. I'm gonna go back driving now. Trying to get steak here. Yeah, we're getting steak. Just gonna get some oyster, and I don't know which one to get. Yep. Splurge. Yeah, Splurge. I got the A5 Wagyu, and I hope it's good, because I'm gonna die. It's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun tonight. I'm going out for more stuff. I'm just gonna get some more. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more stuff and fruits and everything else. So yeah, let's go inside. So yeah, just got these ones here, and yeah, not much people around. I don't know what happened to the people. Anyway, heading home now. Okay, so I'm off to meet Laura now. Yeah, it's around 6 p.m. It's getting dark, and yeah, survived the day. I just need some fruits just to get all those things for what you call this, the where's my here. So I just need the fruits so that I can satisfy all those things for the new year. But other than that, we're good to go. Yeah, love this camera. I hope when I edit it, it's nice. Anyway, gotta go. So we're
I
at
want the spinning one.
yeah, just met Laura now, and we're here. She wants the spinning one. Baka gidagwan? Palitadaan. Yeah. Palitadaan diha. I'll go there and look for.
Ano ba ito?
I don't know.
Ano ito ang ginapalit?
Nalimot ko.
Aburi or katong the other one?
I don't know. Think so. Or you get the.
Hi.
Yeah.
Do you want scallops as well?
I'm good. Nauna ko. So yeah, gotta get a car clean. Just did last minute cleaning and washing. So she'll be ready for the new year. Just a quick rinse and everything. Quite windy. And let's see. Oh shit. It's heading that way. So it's hitting the car in the front. Gotta be careful. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're here and just need to clean the kitchen, and at the same time also I need to like clean the tiny freezer that we have, because there's a lot of things that's going to be placed there. Also got some ice cream, so it's on sale, but we still have some boxes here. So yeah, that's it. Gotta do it now. So we just had our dinner, our New Year's dinner. We were able to finish most of the things that we need to finish. We had around 12 fruits on our table. We had A5 Wagyu, which is so good. And then we also have Stroganoff care of Laura there. And we also had palate cleanser, the oyster. Yeah, the oyster was great. It was so good that one of the worms just stuck to it. So we had one worm in one of those. Fuck. Yeah. Anyway, Happy New Year, guys. And yeah, I'll end the vlog here. I'm going to start doing the dishes, and see you next time. Take care. Oh, yeah, we didn't watch the fireworks because we are just here eating. So, yeah, fireworks, that's fine.